One postfix expression is provided here. Now we have to convert this expression into its infix form. In the last video, we have seen what are the different algorithmic steps to convert a postfix form to its infix form. Now we will apply them. First step was scan the input from left to right, character by character, for which scanning is nothing but finding the tokens. So we will list out the tokens or take tokens one by one for scanning. Then we have to mention the action. Then we have to perform some stack operations. Now we will try to scan from left to right. What is the first character for us? That is a A. Now A is a nothing but a operand, and by the algorithm of conversion from postfix to infix we have to transfer the A on the stack. So we will apply the brackets and now it is A. These brackets are for our safety, not going to be on output device. So it is A. And what is the action? Push A. Second is the input B. Then again push B. Then it is A comma B. Means it is on the top of the stack. Now again input is C. That is the push C. So again it is A, B, C. Now one operand is there. When one operand comes, we have to pop the two, one operator is there, that is a divide. For such case, we have to take two operands from the stack, apply the operator and then again push them on the stack. So pop C, pop B and then apply operator. That is what here after popping only A in the stack, we will calculate the transformations like C will be S1, B will be S2. So here it is a S2 operand S1 and it is collectively again transfer on the stack, that is the B gives stack is having A comma B divided by C. So this is the step up till now scanning from A till divide. Now we will take another inputs for scanning and that are remaining is minus. What is the current stack input? A, B divided by C. This is again one operand, this is one operand. When operator comes, we have to pop the two operands and then apply that operator. Now pop action will be there. So we have to pop. This will be S1, this will be S2 and we have to apply S2 operator S1. So after calculating it again, we will take like A minus B divided by C. It will again happen like this. So it is a collectively new one operand. For the simplicity, we are taking the brackets. Now what is the next inputs? A and K. So A push A, K push K. Now here it is a minus B divided by C comma A comma K. Here it is a operator divide. Pop the two operands and apply the operator. So pop K pop A, then apply divide. So after collectively conversion, A minus B divided by C comma A divided by K. So it is a next conversion. Next operand is L. So push it on a stack, that is the A minus B divided by C A divided by K comma L. So it is a stack. Now Here two operators are simultaneous. So we will talk about them. For example, it is a minus b divided by c, a divided by k, l. Now, for minus, these two operands will be popped and then again inserted into the stack. But how? It will be like a will be there, that is the a minus b divided by c, comma, a divided by k and l are the new operands. So a divided by k minus l will be there. And now this is the one operand. Now we have to apply the star. So this is the one case, the one bracket. This is another bracket. Now we have to apply this one in between these. So it is a minus b divided by c into a divided by k minus l. So this is the final converted form of the given postfix expression to its infix form. Now this is the proper conversion mechanism for postfix to infix expression. Thank you so much.